Diving into Solana. How are we looking on Solana? So this major downtrend is clearly still intact. You can see that historically when Solana breaks its downtrend, that is usually when the bull run kicks in. So don't want to assume it has to happen that way, but we could speculate that it happens that way. So follow that up. We'll draw another fib like this. You can see here you actually hit the 786, but if you pull it up to here, the 618. So we can basically speculate that Solana won't be bullish till it gets back over $26. What we can also do is draw a fib from the low to the high, and you can see perfect 618 tag as well at 1280. So this kind of needs to be the bottom for Solana. If it doesn't, then what's going to happen is you can draw another downtrend like this. Solana is going to actually have a retrace and then another push down to about 10, and you might even end up taking out the low because we know that Avalanche is very similar. Avalanche did break the low from November of 2022, so it is entirely possible that Solana does if it ends up losing this 618, right? So 1248 is basically that price to watch. You could double bottom there and do something like this, but obviously anything past this downtrend is pretty much speculation because as I started the video with, once Solana breaks the downtrend, that's usually when the bull run kicks in. So my guess at any time would be that once Solana gets over $25, it'll probably start moving higher. But again, in the short term, if we do zoom in like this, there's no reason to speculate that it's bullish until it gets over 17.27 and ultimately $20, which is this downtrend. So again, the price to watch for a bottom is $12.97. That kind of needs to be the low because if it isn't, like I said earlier, you're going to drop all the way down to $10 and potentially break the low. So that's pretty much it. As always, none of this is financial advice.